If you want to look extraordinary, you're going to first have to go extreme.
Why did we choose P90X? You cannot deny the results.
You go through 90 days and you become a super fit guy.
You can tailor this program to whatever physique you're trying to get. Give it a shot.
This is P90X. It's about bringing it. It's about intensity. It's about finding out who you are. It's about finding out if you can get in the best shape of your life.
To think that I can have abs like this now, after 4 kids in just 90 days.
Wow.
I was just totally excited, and I thought, oh my gosh, I'm just going to keep going with it.
P90X is a 90-day home fitness revolution. If you want to get lean and ripped,
I know you're feeling that burn now.
if you want to get sexy and toned,
You are working so beautifully hard.
then you want a serious training system that actually works. You want P90X.
I was about 3.5 months from turning 40, and I was probably in the worst shape of my life. When I was younger and in the Army, I was a Ranger, and back then being physically fit was just a way of life. Where did that discipline go?
He hit me.
About 2 weeks into it, I honestly started to see results. My clothes started fitting better, my pants were loose, and it just motivated me to go after phase 2. And that's where the whole muscle confusion started kicking in.
With P90X, this TV you're watching is the fanciest piece of equipment you'll need. And your gym? Well, that's just the space between the TV and the couch. So forget this stuff. These people achieved amazing results while saving their time and money by working out at home.
Do it and you will see it, because this doesn't lie, and this is 100% P90X, nothing else. P90X, bring it!
There's 12 DVDs, and there's yoga, and there's Kempo, and that's fun. I mean, there's the fun ones, and then the days that are the hard, like you're in the military type of workouts, doing push-ups, and then doing pull-ups, and things you think you can't do. A week after P90X, I started seeing the results, and I could see my muscles in my arm. But it wasn't bulky. It wasn't like, a bodybuilder. I still looked feminine. It just was, more toned.
I've never had that before.